Before the first shots of the revolution, rebellion was already alive in the shadows. The Sons of Liberty, merchants, printers, and patriots, risked prison and death to challenge the British Empire. See how a small group of colonists sparked a revolution that changed the world. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel. The Sons of Liberty were not an army, but an underground network of ordinary colonists willing to defy an empire. Men like Sam Adams, John Hancock, Paul Revere, and Dr. Joseph Warren were printers, merchants, dockworkers, craftsmen, sailors, lawyers, and shopkeepers, men rooted in everyday colonial life. They were bold, organized, and often secretive, community leaders who believed resistance was a moral duty. The Sons of Liberty formed in response to British taxes like the Stamp Act, uniting colonies through shared outrage. Their goal was simple but dangerous: defend colonial rights, resist tyranny, and force Britain to listen, or retreat. They used powerful symbols, the Liberty Tree, flags, lanterns, and coded messages, to organize and warn one another. They organized boycotts, protests, intelligence networks, and direct action, pushing resistance beyond words. Before independence was declared, the Sons of Liberty made it possible, turning resistance into revolution, and colonies into a nation.